Good morning, everyone. Thanks for watching my channel. It's very early in the morning, or it's in the middle of the night for some. It's not even 4 a.m. So today we'll do a little test. I'm driving my Shelby GT350 here, and I'll drive it one way at speeds under the speed limit, like at 70 miles an hour. And on the slower roads I'll go the speed limit, and at the end of my destination I'll check the mileage, the time, and the MPG, see how much miles per gallon the vehicle got. And then when going back exactly the same road, same distance, I will go faster than the speed limit without speeding. Probably go still slower than most of the traffic here, to be honest. And we'll check the time and the mileage again, and also the MPG, see how it is. And that's not a scientific test, it's just something I do for fun, just to keep that in mind. And yeah, we'll see what the difference is. So with a classic American V8 natural aspirated car like the Shelby here, interesting to see what it brings. My guess is the difference will be quite not dramatic but large, and but who knows, we'll find out. I think the difference will also be not as bad as we always think. So I think a supercharged car or turbocharged car, there will be a large difference, but we'll do that test another time. Alright, I better keep the eyes on the road, see if there's no wildlife hopping over, and I'll catch you guys in just a bit when we're on the way back home. And I just got to my destination, and let's have a look what we see here. We see 21 minutes now, but it was about 20 minutes when I got here. 19.4 miles. 101 miles to empty, and MPG is 23.3 MPG. So 23.3 MPG. So keep that in mind, that it's better than most full-size pickup trucks and better than most full-size SUVs as well with the Shelby here. Okay, I am at my destination. I will reset everything on my way home, and we'll try to do exactly the same mileage, which should happen because it's almost exactly the same roads. And we'll get home and see what the MPG is when we drive faster. Of course, I know that the wind will be different, the temperature will be different. This is not a scientific test. This is just something I do for fun and entertainment. All right, guys, hang in there. I'll talk to you on my way back home. All right, guys, we're on the way back home. Now I'm driving 85 right now, so a little bit faster than the speed limit, not too much. And the MPG is way worse than before. But as soon as I get home, I'll let you know what the result is. Also, it's a little warmer now. It's now 80 degrees, but there's no wind, so it kind of compensates. And I had the AC on this morning as well, and did that on purpose because I knew I had to have the AC on right now. So I'll talk to you when I get home. All right, guys, and I arrived, and 19 minutes. 19.7 miles versus 19.4, and 73 miles to empty, and now we are at 18.9 MPG. So got here faster. MPG is not as good, but was it worth it? Driving fast? What do you think? Here is what I think. Is it worth driving faster? Yes, because it's a lot more fun to drive faster. I mean, you can rev your engine, you can just drive a little more spirited with a car like this, and it's just it's just a lot of fun, you know. If you try to save gas, I would definitely say no, it's not. It's not worth it. You know, there's quite a difference in the MPG. You saw that, the difference there. I mean, when we got to the destination this morning, it was about, what was it, 23. I'll have to put it in the video. So that is a difference, you know. In longer distances, or when you do this every day, you definitely pay more at the gas pump. Do you get faster to your destination when you go fast? No, you don't. You get faster maybe a little bit, couple minutes, but if there's a light that's red, or if there's some traffic jam on the road or something, whatever happens, then that gain is gone. So it's not worth driving faster to get faster to your destination. Now, if you go on a long road trip and you go hundreds of miles and you drive very fast, yes, you'll get to your destination a little bit faster, of course. That's different. But you also have to stop earlier at the gas pump. So is it really worth it? Up to you to decide. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hang in there, subscribe and like. I appreciate it. Thank you.